Hey everybody, it's Big Guy from Big Guy Reviews, and here we are back with another in the series with Big Booty White Girl. She's going to do another unboxing here, so I'm just going to turn it over to her.
Hey guys, we are still stuck inside for quarantine, and I know that if you are like me, your kids are driving you absolutely nuts. So, here is something to keep them busy. OwlCrate Jr. Every month you can subscribe, get a new book, lots of goodies. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing we have is a spoiler pamphlet that tells all about what you're going to find in the box. It tells about the book and some of the small businesses that they support. You can read that as you go along. Let's see. Oh, it looks like we've got a mug this month. And we haven't opened these yet either, so we're all seeing them for the first time together. Let's see.
Come on,
I'm working on it. Oh my
excited.
goodness. Oh, that's cute. These books gave Matilda a hopeful and comforting message. You are not alone. That's adorable. And all these things out of here. You get a little pin, lost in a book. So that's cute. Oh, what's this? When in doubt, go to the library. That's from Harry Potter. Oh, your kids will love that. They can put all kinds of treasures in here. It's a little tin.
Is that a flask for the parents?
Oh, yeah.
No.
We need that subscription box next. The flask for the parents. With some good cocktail recipes, because we could all use that about right now. All right, some colored pencils to keep the kids busy. Please give them paper. There's no telling what they're going to draw on. And a bookmark to go with their new book. Oh, we're almost to the book. Oh, sticker. Please supervise what your kids do with stickers. That drives me nuts.
But why do you care what their kids do with stickers?
I don't know.
Never mind.
Yeah. Oh, here's a cute activity book. Keep them busy for a little bit. That's always helpful. And the book this month, The Time of Green Magic by Hilary McKay. That's a beautiful cover.
That is really cool.
So now they've got some activities. Got a new book to read. Hopefully it'll keep them busy for a little while. I think that's everything. Oh, and then a spoiler card for next month. The theme for August is Enchanted Objects. And like I said, this is OwlCrate Jr. They have another box that is just OwlCrate. It's for older, young adult books. But this is for middle grades. And check it out if your kids need something to do right now. I know that mine definitely do. So enjoy.
All right, guys. So there's yet another one. That's the third in the series. So if you guys like these things, we're going to keep doing them. Please subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you like, what you don't like. We'll see what we can get for you and get you some variety of things and move on down the road with it. But thanks a lot. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.